Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about GUI program. So GUI means graphical user interface. So what is a graphical user interface means? In our previous classes we can write many programs. All the programs are command based. So that means, for example, this is the program for addition of two numbers. How we can write? Enter a number, we can give the input 10, enter a b number, we give the input 20, then addition equals to 30. It prints like this. But graphical user interface is nothing but you can create some graphics. So graphics is nothing but when you are opening a window, so this is the window, so closing button, minimize and maximize, this is the name, and these are the labels, so these are the text boxes, and these are the buttons. If you are creating a program with widgets, then we are called it as a graphical user interface programming. That means creation of these windows. So how we can create these type of windows in Python? Let us see. So Python offers so many options for developing GUI. So out of all these GUI methods, so Tkinter, this is the package, is the most commonly used method. That means now we are going to develop the programs with the help of Tkinter module. So to create a Tkinter app, so for example I want to create a graphical user interface program. So for that I follow some steps. These are the steps. So what is the first step? Import the module Tkinter. The first step is import the Tkinter module. How we can import? Import Tkinter. So that is the first step. What is the second step? Create a main window. That means first you create this window. It's empty window. It have some name, open, close button, minimize and maximize buttons. So that how we can create the main window. We can see that. So add any number of widgets to the main window. So it just means the components what you want to place into this window. So for example, button, check button, entry, frame, label, list box, menu button, menu, radio button. We discuss these things. And next one, apply the event trigger on the widgets. So event is nothing but clicking, mouse move, mouse up, mouse down, all these called as an event. So for this, so import the module first. What is the second step? So create the window. What is the third step? You can add these labels, text boxes and command buttons that we are called as a widgets. After that, apply the event. What is the event here? You can place two numbers here. After that, you click on this find. That means click is nothing but event. That means if the event triggers, you are going to perform some operations. So coming to widgets. So widgets means so button. So button means it's an action. So buttons are used to perform some action. Check button. It like this. Like that entry. These are the entry. Text boxes. Enter name. After that here there is box. In this you can enter your name. So next one, frame. These two are one frame. So these two are another frame. So that means these frames also a widget. Next, label. So label is nothing but to display the message. List box. List box is nothing but it appears like this. You click on this, one menu item is displayed. For example, red, green. So menu button. Menu button means the window is like this. Here there is a file menu. This is the menu. If you click on this menu, a drop down will be appear. New, open, save. All these we are called as a menu buttons. So menus are file, edit, close. All these are menus. Radio buttons. So radio button means, for example, gender. So male, female. If you click on this female, automatically the male will be disabled. If I click on this male, automatically the female will be disabled. So this we are called as a radio buttons. That means if there is 10 radio buttons, we can select only one option. Coming to check boxes, if there is a 10 check boxes, you can select all the check boxes. So these are the different widgets available in Python. Now we see how to create window. So the first program is a small window we are going to create. So there are two main methods used in GUI creation. In any program you can write, these two methods must be in that program. So what is the first method? TK. So TK method is in Tkinter module. So TK method is in Tkinter class. To create a main window, we can create window first. So how to create a main window means tkinter.tk. That means, so for example, I want to create one window. For that, first step is import tkinter. The second step is I am going to create one main window. So here my main window name is m tkinter.tk. That's it. Now the main window will be created. Now the second method is main loop. So what is the purpose of the main loop is an infinite loop used to run the application and wait for an event to occur and process the event. Infinite loop used to run the application. That means when you execute this program, a window is appeared until the user click on the close button. Okay. And another one is it is wait for an event. Here this is the window is appeared and this is appeared until you click on this close button, and it is waiting for an event is occurred. Event is nothing, click on this button find. Okay, if you are clicked, then it processes the event. That is the purpose of main loop. So we can add this main loop to this window. How? M dot main loop. That's it. Main loop. If you execute this program, then one small window is appeared with these boxes. That's it. Nothing in this window, just it's a window and the API string. Okay, there are remaining methods. One is pack method. So pack organizes widgets in blocks. So widgets is nothing but where we are going to place these components. Similarly, grid. So grid is nothing but organizes widgets in grid. That means in a table format. So place method is used to organize the widgets in a specific position. We can provide the where we are going to place in x-axis and y-axis. So based on that, the widgets will be placed on your window. So now we are going to see some examples. The first one, from Tkinter import asterisk. So the Tkinter package is imported for GUI programming. So next one, creation of window. The second one, it appears until you close the close button. So what is the output for this? The output is close, minimize, maximize, here TK. So that's it. So that is the output for this program. Now for the same program, I want to append a label. So label like this. Welcome to iTuties. So this is the label I want to insert to this window. How? For this also same. From Tkinter import root equals to tk. After that you can write I want to append the label. So I take this widget. So label, I want to add this label to this window. So what is the window name? The window name is root. So I can write root comma text. What is the text I want to append here? The text is welcome to iTuties. After that I give a name to this label. The name is my label. So my label dot pack. So pack is nothing but where I want to place this. So pack is nothing but the label is added to this window. That's it. So this is the output for these two instructions. You can append these instructions in this place. Okay, then we got the output like that. So next one is greet. So for example, here in this window I want to place one button. The button name is greet. Now if I click on this greet button, then it prints hello boys. Okay, how? So for that I defining one function greet. What I write in this greet means it prints hello boys. If this function is executed, the output is hello boys. Here this is the button. When click on that button, it prints hello boys. So I take one button. The button is added to this window, so I can write root. So after text, what is the text I want to place in this button? Greet. And FG equals to blue. FG means foreground color. That means the greet in the color of blue. And command equals to greet. Command means when you click on this button, the greet method will be invoked. The command means it is event. What event you are performing on the button. If clicking is an event, if you click, this greet button will be executed. So M, and after that tag side left. That means the button is appended in side left. Okay, now what is the output? When you click on this greet button, it prints hello boys. Okay, you can write this in the same place. So before this you can write root equals to tk and root dot main loop. For every program these three are the common. So next program, so this is the I want to take as greet 1. I take another button greet 2. If I press greet 1, then it returns, then it prints hello boys. If I click on greet 2, then it prints hello girls. If you click 10 times, 10 times it prints hello boys. If you click 20 times, then it prints 20 times hello girls. Okay, so for that I am defining another function def greet 2. For example, this is the greet 1. So command equals to greet 1. Okay, I am taking this as a button 1. So button 1 dot back. Okay, so greet 2 means hello girls. So my button 2 equals to, I add to root, text equals to greet 2, foreground equals to red. So this is in the color of blue, greet 1. So this is in red color. You can see all these in our practical session. And command equals to greet 2. If you observe that, if you click on this greet 1, this method will be invoked. If you click on this greet 2, then greet 2 method will be invoked. So my button 2 dot pack side dot right. This button is added in side right. So now if I click on greet 1, it prints hello boys. If I click greet 2, it prints hello girls. Okay, so now we see another program. First we can see the output. So in this window, this is the window. In this window, this is the close, this is the minimize, maximize, tk. So this is the window. For this window, I want to append one label. On the label I print name. So this is the text box. In this text box I am going to enter something. After entering something, I press this button. After I press this button, it prints, for example here I enter Ravi, then it prints hi Ravi, exclamation. So now we can see how we can write this program. So root equals to tk, that means one window is created. Close, minimize, maximize, this is the tk. So after that label, that means, so this is the label widget, that means it is used to display the text. What is the text here? The text is name. This is the label. This label is added to side equals to left. That means this label is added here. Name. So next one, I want to add one text box. How to add a text box? By using entry component. So entry width equals to 20. That means this is the text box. So it accepts the input. So my entry dot backside equals to left. This text box is append here. So next one, my button equals to, I want to append one button to this window. What is the button name? The button name is greet and it is blue. When I click this button, the greet function will be invoked. Okay, so my button dot backside equals to left. That means this is appended to here. Greet. So next, I'm taking one label, empty label. The size is 15 characters, and I can append to this here. So this is the empty label. So nothing is in this label. It's empty label. So okay, now I can execute this program. This window will appear. Here I give Ravi. After I click on greet, what happened? The greet means the command greet will be executed. These two instructions. So name equals to my entry dot get. So name equals to my entry dot get means in this entry. So what is the my entry means? This is the text box. You enter some data. So that is append to name. Output label dot configure. So this label we are going to configure with hi plus what is the name? Ravi plus exometry. That means it becomes hi Ravi exometry. That means it prints, it changes to hi Ravi exometry. Okay. So again, if you can change this to Varada. Click on this greet. Next, what happened? Name equals to Varada and output label is hi Varada exometry. That's it. I hope you all understand graphical user interface programming in Python. So now we can see the execution of how to create a window. So this is the window, so empty window. So now we can see how to add widgets to window. So this is the window. So welcome to iTuties. So this is the label. So now we see how to add button to the window. So this is the button. When I click on greet, it prints hello boys. So when I click on greet one, hello boys. So greet two, hello girls. In this I enter the name Varada. Greet. Hello Varada. If I give Ravi, greet, hello, hi Ravi. Sita, hi Sita.